Hi friends, now we are going to see the second problem. Solve the one-dimensional diffusion equation in the region 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi, t greater than or equal to 0 when theta remains finite as t tends to infinity, theta equal to 0 if x equal to 0 or pi. This is nothing but theta of 0 comma t equal to theta of pi comma t equal to 0. Both the values are equal to 0. At t equal to 0, theta is given as a function x when x lies between 0 and pi by 2, pi minus x when x lies between pi by 2 and pi. We know the diffusion equation. Dou square theta by dou x square is equal to 1 by k into dou theta by dou t. Let it be equation number 1. In the previous problem, we have denoted this by dou square u by dou x square is equal to 1 by k into dou a by dou t. Subject to the constraints, theta of 0 comma t equal to 0, theta of pi comma t equal to 0. This is given in the problem. Theta of x comma 0 is equal to x when x lies between 0 and pi by 2, pi minus x when x lies between pi by 2 and pi. We know that this theta is function of both x and t, so it can be written as theta of x comma t is equal to x of x into t of t. Theta of x comma t equal to x of x into t of t. Let it be equation number 2. From this we need dou square theta by dou x square and dou theta by dou t. From as in the first problem, we get x double dash of x into t of t and x of x into t dash of t. Apply these two values in equation number 1. It becomes x double dash into t equal to x into t dash by k. Divide this equation by x by x double dash t by xt is equal to xt dash by k into xt. Here t get cancel, here x get cancel, remaining will be x double dash by x equal to t dash by k into t. We will equate this term to minus of a constant square. First equate these two terms, x double dash by x is equal to minus lambda square. From this x double dash is equal to minus x lambda square. Solving this as in the first problem, we get the complementary function x of x is equal to a cos lambda x plus b sin lambda x. Second, equate these two things, we get t dash in by kt is equal to minus lambda square. I'm going to change this k to right hand side. T dash by t is equal to minus k lambda square, and then integrating on both sides, I get log t is equal to minus k lambda square into t. Taking exponential, we'll get t is equal to e power minus k lambda square t. This is nothing but t of t. We obtained x of x and t of t. Apply these two values in the second equation. So second equation become theta of x comma t is equal to, this is t of t and this is x of x. Let it be equation number 3. In the boundary conditions are given that theta of 0 comma t equal to 0. Apply this value here in the third equation. So theta of 0 comma t means x will be 0. So this term will remain same, a cos 0 plus b sin 0. Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. This term will be 0, a into e power minus lambda square kt. This term will not be equal to 0, so only possibility a equal to 0. Apply this a equal to 0 in third equation. We get theta of x comma t equal to e power minus lambda square kt, b sin lambda x. This term will be 0. Apply the second boundary condition in the third equation. Theta of pi comma t equal to e power minus lambda square kt, a cos lambda pi plus b sin lambda pi. Here this cos lambda pi will be 0 and sin lambda pi will remain. From this, e power minus lambda square kt into b sin lambda pi equal to 0. Only possibility is b not equal to 0, e power minus lambda square kt not equal to 0, sin lambda pi equal to 0. We know that sin n pi equal to 0. Equating these two, we get lambda pi equal to np, pi get cancelled, lambda is equal to n. Apply this lambda value in the fourth equation. So theta of x comma t equal to e power minus n square kt, b sin nx. Lambda is n. Here lambda square is n square. And given that the last condition, theta of x comma 0 is equal to f of x, since it is a functional form. So can write theta of x comma 0 as f of x. Here f of x is bn sin nx. This bn is nothing but 2 by pi integral over 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. Now this integral will be divided, since it is given in the problem 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi. When 0 to pi by 2, the function will be x. Pi by 2 to pi, the function will be pi minus x. And this is of the form integral u dv and integral u dv. By solving this, we obtain this term. That is, first I considered this integral over 0 to pi by 2 x sin nx into dx. Here u is x, dv will be dx, dv is sin nx dx. We will be integrating on both sides. We get the value for v minus cos nx by n. Apply this in integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du formula. Last we get minus pi cos n pi by 2 divided by 2n plus sin n pi by 2 divided by n square. Same for second. We get pi cos n pi by 2 by 2n minus 1 by n square sin n pi plus 1 by n square sin n pi by 2. Applying this here, this term and this term get cancelled. Sin n pi will be equal to 0. Remaining term, these two terms are same. So 2 times sin n pi by 2 by n square. 2 by pi will be same. 2 into 2, 4 pi n square. So n square into pi, sin n pi by 2. Now our theta of x comma t, the bn value, this is bn value. Applying this value in the theta of x comma t, get summation n equal to 1 to infinity 4 by n square pi into sin nx e power minus k lambda square t. This is, that's all. And now a note, error function is denoted by er of f of t or er of f of z or t in terms of t or z. er of f of t is 2 by root pi integral over 0 to t e power minus u square du, or in terms of z means er of f of z is equal to 2 by root pi integral over 0 to z e power minus u square du.